insane. Really, Alan? This is insane.
It's over. It's over. It's done. It's done. This is done. This is done. It won't happen. Won't happen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's gone. This is gone. It's gone. This is gone. It's gone. I won't do it again.
You promise? You swear on me?
I swear.
Okay. Hi guys! How are the results? All good. By the way, have you seen Alan anywhere? Oh, there you are. Been looking all over. Oh my god, you're still smoking? So much. Come on. 2 years we've been having the same argument. Really?
Just
Alan,
don't interfere!
don't point your finger at me. Don't point that thing at me.
Take it!
You know what? This is over. You can't. Still you're smoking.
He broke up.
For this, she left me. For this. This was there with me for the past 5 years. 5 years.
Alan, we started this as a joke. I quit. But you still continued. It's easy, yaar.
Okay. You guys can't bear this. Don't bear me.
So what Tony told me, Alan not higher.
What?
Tony told me.
For what?
Day, local, live coverage you can count on.
Good afternoon, everyone. We have breaking news this morning in Peabody, where a vehicle has slammed through the front door of an office building. Sky 5 live over the scene, and News Center 5's Jack Harper is at the scene live with us on the phone. Jack, what's the latest?
Latest, Susan, is from witnesses we've talked with. This was an elderly woman driving a night model Infiniti, and one of the witnesses, Jim Curley, told us he went by him doing what he would estimate at 50 to 60 miles an hour, no brakes, no nothing, right into the front of the building here, the Internal Medicine Physicians of the North Shore. She went into the waiting...
Give me oxygen. The pressure. Get the adrenaline injection fast.
Alan Francis, emergency case.
Are you with him?
Yes. And it's serious.
So, tell me, does the patient have any smoking history? Yeah, that must be true, because in our diagnosis we found he's got small cell lung cancer, and that's in the advanced stage.
I keep telling him not to smoke. He just doesn't listen. It's okay.
But it's too late. We'll try our best to save him, and let God do God's best. The X-ray reports have come. I'll show you. As you can see, there was no any damages internally, but another bad news for you. He's got lung cancer.
Man, you need it back.
Doctor, there's an emergency.
Come on.
You're not going anywhere. You better come back.
Alan!
Excuse me.
What's happening?
Doctor. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Alan.